Carrot juice is a delicious way to lose weight. Not only is it tasty, but it also offers a myriad of health benefits that can support your weight loss journey. It is low in calories, making it a good choice for people who want to manage their weight. A single serving of carrot juice contains fewer calories than most sugary drinks, yet it is packed with essential nutrients. Carrot juice is refreshing and packed with nutrients. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as potassium and antioxidants, which are crucial for overall health and well-being. It is a healthy addition to any weight loss journey. Incorporating carrot juice into your diet can help boost your metabolism and improve digestion, aiding in more effective weight management. Start enjoying this tasty drink today. Whether you drink it in the morning to kickstart your day, or as a refreshing afternoon pick-me-up, carrot juice can be a delightful part of your daily routine. It will help you reach your weight loss goals. Consistent consumption of carrot juice can help you stay on track with your weight loss plan by providing a nutritious, low-calorie alternative to high-calorie beverages. Carrot juice is naturally sweet, so you don't need to add sugar. This natural sweetness makes it a perfect substitute for sugary drinks that can sabotage your weight loss efforts. This keeps the calorie count low and helps you lose weight. By choosing carrot juice over other high-calorie options, you can significantly reduce your daily calorie intake. Replace sugary drinks with carrot juice, and this will reduce your calorie intake. Swapping out sodas and other sugary beverages for carrot juice can make a big difference in your overall calorie consumption. You will see positive results in your weight loss journey. Many people who have incorporated carrot juice into their diets have reported noticeable improvements in their weight and overall health. Carrot juice is a versatile drink. You can enjoy it on its own, mix it with other vegetable or fruit juices, or even use it as a base for smoothies. You can enjoy it any time of day. Have it for breakfast, lunch, or as a snack. Its versatility makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine, no matter your schedule. Its low calorie count makes it an excellent choice. With fewer calories than many other beverages, carrot juice is a smart option for those looking to shed pounds. It will help you stay hydrated and feel full, preventing overeating. The high water content in carrot juice helps keep you hydrated, while its fiber content can help you feel fuller for longer. Adding carrot juice to your diet is easy. You can make it at home with a juicer or blender, or buy it pre-made from your local grocery store. It is a simple and effective way to support weight loss. By making carrot juice a regular part of your diet, you can enjoy its many health benefits while working towards your weight loss goals. Its low-calorie content and delicious taste make it a winner. Carrot juice is not only good for you, but it also tastes great, making it easier to stick to your weight loss plan. Start incorporating carrot juice into your routine today, and you will be one step closer to achieving your weight loss goals. With its numerous health benefits and delicious taste, carrot juice is a fantastic addition to any diet. Carrots are full of good things for your body. They have vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients are important for weight loss and keep your body healthy. Vitamins in carrots give you energy and help your body work properly. Fiber keeps you feeling full, which prevents you from overeating. Antioxidants protect your cells from damage. Vitamin A in carrots is good for your eyes and helps your skin stay healthy. Vitamin C boosts your immune system and keeps you from getting sick. These vitamins are essential for overall well-being. Fiber in carrots is important for digestion. It helps your body absorb nutrients and also keeps you regular. This is important for weight management. Carrot juice can help you lose weight by boosting your metabolism. This vibrant orange drink is packed with essential nutrients that not only enhance your metabolic rate, but also provide a refreshing way to start your day. This means your body burns calories faster, helping you shed those extra pounds. When your metabolism is running efficiently, it converts food into energy more effectively, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Carrot juice has nutrients that activate your metabolism. These include vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals such as potassium and magnesium, which play a crucial role in metabolic processes. These nutrients help your body use energy efficiently, leading to increased calorie burning. After a workout, a glass of carrot juice can replenish your energy levels and keep you feeling revitalized. The fiber in carrot juice also aids in weight loss by slowing down digestion. This means that you feel fuller for longer, reducing the temptation to snack on unhealthy foods throughout the day. This keeps you feeling full for a longer time, and prevents you from craving unhealthy snacks. Incorporating carrot juice into your diet can be a simple yet effective strategy for managing your weight. Drinking carrot juice regularly can support your weight loss goals. Consistency is key, and making it a part of your daily routine can yield significant benefits over time. Its metabolism-boosting properties are a key factor. By enhancing your body's ability to burn calories, carrot juice helps you stay energized and active throughout the day. Enjoy this healthy drink and experience the benefits. Not only does it taste great, but it also supports your overall well-being. Carrot juice provides essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients are vital for maintaining good health and ensuring that your body functions optimally. These nutrients support overall health and also contribute to a healthy weight. By incorporating carrot juice into your diet, you can enjoy a delicious way to boost your metabolism and promote weight loss. Section 4. Seamlessly incorporating carrot juice into your daily routine. Adding carrot juice to your diet is easy. It's a simple yet effective way to boost your daily nutrient intake without much effort. It's a delicious and nutritious drink you can enjoy any time of day. Whether you're at home, at work, or on the go, carrot juice fits seamlessly into your routine. Start your day with a glass of carrot juice. It's a refreshing way to wake up your body and mind, setting a positive tone for the rest of the day. It will give you energy and keep you feeling full until lunchtime. The natural sugars and fibers in carrot juice help sustain your energy levels. This will help you make healthier food choices throughout the day. When you start with a nutritious option, you're more likely to continue making good choices. You can also have carrot juice as a snack. It's convenient and portable, making it perfect for a mid-morning or afternoon pick-me-up. It's a healthy alternative to sugary drinks. Unlike sodas and other sweetened beverages, carrot juice is packed with vitamins and minerals. It will satisfy your sweet cravings and provide your body with essential nutrients. The natural sweetness of carrots makes it a delightful treat. Carrot juice is a versatile drink. You can enjoy it on its own or get creative by incorporating it into different recipes. You can add it to smoothies or use it in salad dressings. It blends well with other ingredients, enhancing the flavor and nutritional value of your meals. This will give your meals a healthy and flavorful boost. Incorporating carrot juice into your diet is a simple step towards a healthier lifestyle. Section 5. Crafting liquid gold. Mastering homemade carrot juice. Making carrot juice at home is easy. You need a juicer and some fresh carrots. Wash and peel the carrots before juicing them. Choose carrots that are firm and bright in color. Avoid carrots that are wilted or have blemishes. These may not be as fresh and flavorful. You can add other ingredients to your carrot juice like ginger and lemon to enhance the flavor and provide additional health benefits. If you don't have a juicer, you can use a blender. Blend the carrots with some water, then strain the mixture through a cheesecloth. Section 6. Timing is key. When to sip for maximum impact. Drinking carrot juice at specific times can maximize its benefits and improve your health in different ways. Drinking carrot juice in the morning can boost your metabolism and help regulate blood sugar levels effectively. This is especially beneficial for people with diabetes, helping them manage their condition. Consuming carrot juice before meals can aid digestion and promote a feeling of fullness. This can prevent overeating and support weight management effectively. Having carrot juice after workouts can help your body recover, replenish electrolytes lost through sweat, and reduce muscle soreness. Section 7. Embrace the carrot craze. A journey to a healthier you. Carrot juice is a healthy and delicious drink with many benefits for weight loss and overall health. Carrot juice is low in calories and high in nutrients. It can boost your metabolism and help you burn fat. It can also improve digestion and regulate blood sugar levels. Incorporating carrot juice into your diet is easy. You can make it at home or buy it from the store. Drink it regularly to experience its amazing benefits. Start your journey to a healthier you with carrot juice. Enjoy its delicious taste and reap its numerous health benefits.